Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing a clear niche and 3 content pillars so you can stay focused from day one. Once decided, register a concise domain that matches your brand and audience because names matter for recall and SEO. Next, pick hosting, shared for low cost, VPS for growth, or managed WordPress to save time. Make sure to enable daily backups and SSL during setup. These protect your work and improve trust. After that, install your CMS and create the first draft of your homepage. Once your CMS is live, configure a lightweight theme and add essential plugins like SEO, caching, forms, and automated backups because performance and discoverability matter. Then build site structure. Create categories and design a simple menu so readers find content fast. Write 5 cornerstone posts that showcase your expertise and schedule content across a 6-month calendar to maintain consistency. While drafting, optimize titles, meta descriptions, headings, and compress images to around 100 to 200 kilobytes to keep pages fast and readable on mobile and desktop. You're ready to launch after finishing a checklist. Connect analytics, submit a sitemap, set robots. TXT, add a contact page, and enable email sign-up to capture visitors. Once launched, promote through email, 1 or 2 social channels, and guest posts to build initial traffic. Track KPIs weekly so you can iterate. If something breaks, slow pages, or missing content, clear caches first, disable recent plugins to find conflicts, and restore the latest backup if necessary. Finally, refine based on real user behavior and repeat the content cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.